And then can I get like a lot of the hot barbecue sauce, please?
Okay.
And then a regular. Do you have a high C?
Yes, we do.
Yeah. Can I get a high C with no ice, please?
All right.
And that's it.
Got a barbecue pork sandwich with the regular high C. What's the name for you?
Joseph.
Are you using cash or card?
Card.
That'll be $12.43.
Sounds good. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know if I'm tripping, but $12.43 for a pulled pork sandwich and a drink, kinda insane. Not gonna lie. Anyway, y'all, what is the deal, man? I know why y'all clicked the title of the video. I know why y'all are here. Okay. I do know why y'all are here. Before we get into that, I have to eat. Okay. Y'all already making me nervous. They're already making me talk about something I don't want to talk about. But because it's y'all and we are family, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna talk about what doesn't want to be talked about, which is, where's the M5? I see another comment asking about that dang on M5. It's just like, bro, I will say the M2 is an amazing car though. The M2 is probably one of the best cars that you could buy, like money could buy. Like I thought it was the F90, but it's definitely the M2. The M2 is a great bang for your buck, if you ask me. Bro, one thing I do have to complain about with this M2, everything is digital, so I literally, like, I don't know if it's like the OCD in me or what, but I have to keep one of these tiles in here so I can, like, as soon as I touch the screen, I can just go like a smooth wipe across and I can like be good, you know what I'm saying? Because not having this thingy majingy bob, this tile, yeah, I would lose my marbles. Dude, the M2 is so cool. It's really like a little track car, like a little fun track car.
There you go.
Thanks. You too. All right, we got our food. Let's go park real quick so I can talk to y'all. What happened to bro M5? Why does he have an M2 now? Where's the M5? The M2 is such a downgrade from the M5. I don't get why he would get the M2 over and not have the M5. Well, what happened to my M5? Let's go ahead and let's talk about it. All right, so from your perspective, yeah, I may have downgraded. I may have, you know, went from a 2023 M5 to a 2025 G87 M2, which may be a downgrade in some of your eyes, which is cool. I completely understand. It is what it is. But in my eyes, it was not a downgrade. I think this car is amazing. I think it's a good all around, you know, fun driving car. You know what I'm saying? So I personally don't think it was a downgrade, but you guys are also entitled to your own opinion. Now, that may have been a downgrade in you guys' eyes, but I have a 2025 G87 M2 and I am very, very happy with this car. I think it's a great car. I think it does astronomical things. It's just all around a good car. You know what I'm saying? So I personally don't think I downgraded, and I know y'all want to know what happened to the M5. So I really don't know how to say this. You know what I'm saying? Like, the M5 was like a monumental car on this channel. The M5 really started a lot of this. I wouldn't even be doing YouTube without the M5. So to think that I traded an M5 for an M2 is like, I don't know how to put that into words. I don't know how to like describe it. You know what I'm saying? Because to think I would trade my M5 for an M2 is crazy. Oh my goodness. This thing is hard. Holy freaking cow, bro. Now let's get into it. Oh my goodness. To think I would trade my M5 for an M2 is literally insane, bro. Of course we kept both of the cars. Of course we are going up all year. I told y'all, I prayed to God. I asked God, if this is for me, provide it for me. God, give it to me. And look what he did. And look what he did. gave me both. Yes, we have both cars, bro, and we are gonna keep making content with the M5, and we're gonna have some content with the M2. Two completely different builds, two completely different things, man. All glory to the Most High God. Thank you for all your blessings. Thank you for everything you've given me, and thank y'all for supporting me. I appreciate it, because without y'all, who knows where I'll be. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, man, I know y'all missed the M5. I know I ain't been posting it, and I act like it was gone. I know. But I'm here to tell you, the M5 is not gone, and it is here to stay, along with this brand new 2025 G87 M2, man. Anyway, man, we're gonna vlog some more. I gotta get some stuff done with this real quick, and I'll be right back. I thought you guys knew me better than this. I thought you guys truly knew me. No way you guys really thought I got rid of the M5 for M2. You guys, that shows y'all don't watch my videos. Tragic. In the videos, I told y'all I would never, and I meant never, get rid of my F90 M5 for a G87 M2. Now, mind you, I do love the G87 M2, but not enough to get rid of the F90 M5. Guys, this is what started it all. This is why we are here today. I could never get rid of this car. I could never get rid of this car. So just to have both is such a like surreal feeling, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's crazy, bro. I got two M's, bro. Two M's. One was what, 120, 128. That one was 90. I'm still young. I'm living a life. But this is not me on my own. This is like hard work, faith, dedication. This is like, I told y'all, man, my dream truly is to do YouTube, bro. I want to do YouTube. I want to build cars. I want to have cool cars, fast cars, and all that. And I looked at this is an investment for me, you know? Like for most people, it's not an investment, but for me, it's an investment to build the channel, to grow, to reach out to different people on different platforms, and just try new things, honestly, because, well, if you never try, you never know. And as y'all know, y'all can probably hear the M5 rumbling, I know, so I'm gonna speak up. But as y'all know, the M2 is not practical. It doesn't have many features. And, well, that's why I'm keeping my M5. And because I love my M5 and I don't want to get rid of it. So it just literally wouldn't make sense to get rid of the car. But I love my M5, and that's gonna be the daily driver. I do have another surprise for y'all. This one, are y'all gonna be like, y'all already not gonna care about it, but there's a reason I kept my M5. Many reasons, honestly. Just know, the M5 will still receive love. We still have mods for the M5. We have mods for the M2. We have mods for both cars, man. And I know this was a little bit of a shorter video. I wanna make a longer one, but kinda on a time crunch right now. And I just want to say thank y'all, man. If you just clicked this video, thank you for clicking the video. If you watched the whole video, thank you for watching the whole video. I truly, truly do appreciate it, man. Make sure y'all leave a like down below. That's what's gonna push me out. That's what's gonna get me out. You know what I'm saying? And I don't care if 1 million people don't watch me, because guess what? There's another 1 million people in the world. That's like the state of Iowa not watching none of my videos, but the state of California is, you know? That's how I look at it. My content may not be for everybody, but pretty much if you're new here, I do car content, POV vlogs, modding cars, all types of things. So if you like that type of stuff, make sure you stick around. Make sure you are just commenting, being active. And also, guys, I opened up my community tab, so you guys can now post pictures in my community tab. So if you guys like got some sick M2s or some sick mods that y'all want me to do to the M2, or something y'all want me to do to the M5, head over to the community tab. You guys can now post in there, and we can all be interactive. A lot of this stuff is on my Snapchat before it hits YouTube, so definitely add me on Snapchat, which is right here on the screen, and you guys can see all that. I thank y'all so much for all the love and support. Once again, I wouldn't be able to do this without God and my hard work. Got to give credit to myself, but more credit to God for making this happen. I thank y'all so freaking much. I really do. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Next video will be a POV. A POV of what? Well, I don't know. Peace.